Boost your internet experience with reliable connectivity and seamless speed. The best Wi-Fi receiver for PC delivers strong signal reception, stable performance, and easy setup, ensuring smooth streaming, gaming, and browsing. Upgrade your network connection effortlessly today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TP-Link Wi-Fi 6E USB Adapter. The TP-Link Wi-Fi 6E USB adapter is an excellent choice for users who want to bring the next generation of Wi-Fi performance to their desktop or laptop without the hassle of upgrading internal hardware. With its support for the 6 GHz band, this adapter unlocks the full potential of Wi-Fi 6E, offering higher bandwidth, faster speeds, and dramatically reduced latency compared to older Wi-Fi standards. This makes it particularly valuable for gamers, streamers, and professionals working with heavy online tasks such as large file transfers and video conferencing. Supporting speeds up to 1.2 gigabits per second across 6 GHz and 5 GHz bands, as well as 574 megabits on 2.4 GHz, it provides flexible tri-band connectivity. The adapter integrates mu-MIMO and OFDMA technology, ensuring smoother performance when multiple devices are connected, which helps eliminate the bottlenecks typically experienced in busy households. Another strength lies in its tri-band antennas with beamforming that improve range, allowing for more reliable connections even in larger homes. The included 1.2-meter USB 3.0 cable allows flexible placement for optimal signal reception. However, it is important to note that full utilization of the 6 GHz band requires Windows 11, which may be a limitation for Windows 10 users. Number 2. TP-Link BE6200 Adapter. The TP-Link BE6200 adapter represents a significant leap forward in wireless technology by supporting Wi-Fi 7, ensuring users are well prepared for the future of connectivity. Designed for power users, gamers, and heavy streamers, this tri-band USB adapter delivers incredible speeds of up to 2,882 megabits on the 6 GHz band, 2,594 megabits on 5 GHz, and 688 megabits on 2.4 MHz. Such performance enables seamless 4K and even 8K streaming, ultra-fast downloads, and reliable low-latency gaming, making it an all-around solution for demanding environments. The inclusion of OFDA and mu-MIMO ensures multiple devices can connect efficiently without degrading performance, which is especially beneficial in households with numerous smart devices. Coverage is also strong thanks to dual high-gain antennas and beamforming technology, further enhanced by a detachable cradle with a 3.9-foot cable, giving users flexibility in placement for optimal signal strength. Beyond performance, the BE6200 emphasizes security with advanced WPA3 protection, safeguarding against modern cyber threats and brute force attacks. Additionally, TP-Link's participation in the US CISA Secure by Design pledge highlights the brand's commitment to safe, reliable hardware. Number 3. Netgear Nighthawk Adapter. The Netgear Nighthawk adapter brings top-tier Wi-Fi 7 capabilities into a compact, user-friendly design aimed at PC users who want extreme speed and reliability. It requires Windows 11 to unlock its full potential, particularly for the 6 GHz band, which is essential for achieving peak Wi-Fi 7 speeds. Offering up to an impressive 6.5 gigabits per second across tri-band frequencies, this adapter makes high-demand tasks like 4K and 8K video streaming, competitive online gaming, and professional video conferencing feel seamless. One standout feature is its ability to intelligently select the best frequency band, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, or 6 GHz, automatically optimizing performance even in congested environments. The adjustable antennas and included USB cradle help maximize signal reception, allowing users to position the device for the strongest possible connection. Security is not overlooked either, with support for WPA3 encryption ensuring that personal data and passwords remain protected from modern threats. Setup is remarkably simple. Users just plug the adapter into a USB 2.0 or 3.0 port with no need for additional hardware upgrades. It's also router agnostic, working with any Wi-Fi standard, though it's most effective when paired with a Wi-Fi 7 router. Number 4. TP-Link Wi-Fi 7 BE9300 adapter. The TP-Link Wi-Fi 7 BE9300 adapter is designed for users who demand nothing but the highest wireless performance from their desktop PCs. Supporting Wi-Fi 7's cutting-edge features like 320 MHz channels, multi-link operation (MLO), and 4K QAM, it delivers unrivaled throughput and responsiveness when paired with a Wi-Fi 7 router. Its tri-band speeds reach an astounding 9.3 gigabits combined, with 5,764 megabits on the 6 GHz band, 2,882 megabits on 5 GHz, and 688 megabits on 2.4 GHz. This level of performance makes it perfect for bandwidth-intensive activities such as 8K streaming, VR applications, and large-scale online gaming. mu-MIMO and OFDMA technologies ensure that multiple devices can operate simultaneously without impacting network efficiency, which is vital for modern connected households. A unique advantage of the BE9300 is its integrated Bluetooth 5.4 support, offering improved reliability and security for wireless peripherals such as controllers, headphones, and keyboards. This dual functionality makes it a versatile choice for gamers and professionals who rely on stable Bluetooth connections along strong Wi-Fi performance. Number 5. BrosTrend BE6500 adapter. The BrosTrend BE6500 adapter is a reliable Wi-Fi 7 solution that offers high-end performance with a focus on speed, stability, and convenience. It delivers tri-band speeds up to 6.5 gigabits with 2,882 Mbps on both 6 GHz and 5 GHz, plus 688 Mbps on 2.4 GHz. These impressive figures ensure smooth 4K and 8K streaming, competitive gaming, and heavy multitasking without bottlenecks or interruptions. By incorporating technologies like 4K QAM, multi-RU, and preamble puncturing, the BE6500 minimizes network congestion and maximizes throughput, providing a steady and efficient connection even in demanding households. Dual external antennas and beamforming further enhance coverage, ensuring strong reception through walls or across larger spaces. Unlike some competitors, this adapter doesn't support MLO, multi-link operation, which may limit its peak performance potential compared to higher-end Wi-Fi 7 options, but it still excels in most real-world scenarios. Installation is a breeze with a preloaded driver, removing the need for CD-based or manual downloads, making it user-friendly even for less technical users. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.